Here, you want to see what's in here? Let's see what's in here. Go ahead. Let your mom open the card. Well, who's that? Who's that?
Your 1 year love, Twinkle Twinkle birthday star. Who's the sweetest
Here.
one by far?
Hello. My first, I see you. Oh.
Aww.
Stop it, John.
What is that?
Is that a big ball? Is
Oh,
that a big ball?
what's that? You get it. Get it.
Where's that from?
Leslie and Uncle John.
Oh, thank you, Leslie.
Do you have somebody? You want somebody to write this down? Well, I'm taking a video.
Okay, you're taking a video of the whole thing?
Whole video.
Oh, throw away your ball. Oh, no. We're going to stay. Oh.
Don't body slam that, Aaron.
Whole body slam
What's
that.
that?
All right, stop the video.
Look.
What's that?
Rip it open.
Look at Wyatt.
Go on. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
We need a garbage bag for
Where's that from?
the garbage.
Did this have, was this with something else? It didn't say who it's from. Like
Yeah.
It didn't say who it's from.
Pear's getting a. Oh, yay!
It was by itself, so I don't know. Look. Push. Push. Look.
You guys have a good one. I love you.
It didn't say who this one was from.
Is that the bag?
Anybody?
No, that's my bag.
I wouldn't be able to say thank you cards.
But it has,
Where was it, Am? It was separate?
Yeah, it was wrapped.
and each picture, for each
Thanks,
page,
Kara.
mirror. Really?
Carrie, Jessica, Taylor, and Sal.
Oh, thanks, Carrie, Jessica, Taylor, and
Mirror
Sal.
in your right.
They literally just left too.
God.
So every time you turn
Wyatt, look. You want that?
oh, I'm sure.
Amber, turn him around.
He turned himself around.
Wyatt.
It was your own phone. You could stop taking ours.
He has a mind of his own. You never remember that.
I didn't get those ones.
Oh! Why do you get so quiet?
I said, show him his gifts.
Oh, he opened them. No, don't put that in there.
That's a good try.
Here, Wyatt. Wyatt, what's in here? Look. Wyatt, look.